So Vidu Ai just dropped their new model Vidu Q2 and it comes with the major improvements over the previous model Q1. And I have been testing this model from last few days. So in this video I'm gonna share where this model actually shine and what are the possibilities. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. Now if we go to the website and go ahead to the video section inside of the text to video and go to the model section, inside of the model section you can see we have the new model Vidu Q2 and this is even available for the free users, so you don't have to worry about it. And it also comes with the 8 seconds video duration, and the best part here is that you can generate the videos in 1080p. And next we have the option for the aspect ratios, number of clips, and that's it. Simple and clean. And the first prompt that I tested here was this: a man with the clown makeup staring into the mirror looks utterly bored, yawning with the half eyes closed. And it has done it very beautifully, even though this was a very complicated prompt because the AI has to match the expressions of the real person and also the mirror reflection. So in this one it has done it very beautifully. This is acting accordingly. If we talk about the realism and the quality, I don't have any complaints with this one. Next up I tried an old man sitting by a window with the rain pouring outside and camera zoom in slowly. Well, this was to capture the camera movement. I know this is a very subtle camera movement. There is not much happening in this video, but we're gonna test some of the complicated camera movements later in the video. But in this case it also performed really well. But when it comes to the high motion and high camera movements, it just nails it. Just look at the way how the car is moving, and we have multiple camera angles. The camera zoom in, then camera zooms out to the car, it shows the track, then it also at the end of the video shows the crowd. So we have multiple camera movements, and this is a very complicated shot. We have a lot of things mentioned in the prompt if you see this closely, but man, it has done it very beautifully. We don't have any jitters, we don't have any morphing issues here. And here's another example of the high camera movement where the woman is aiming with the arrow and then she hits the straight bullseye. And this one is also a very complicated prompt because we have a lot of camera movements. The camera zooms out, zooms in, and again tracks the arrow and hit the bullseye. So when it comes to the camera motions, I don't have any complaints because this is already performing really well with the camera movements. So obviously the Q2 model have very improved camera movements. Well, we're gonna talk about the anime because that's an interesting part, but I wanted to test the emotional shots. So again, this one is a very good shot. Woman is throwing the frame to the wall and it sticks to the wall. I don't know what magic she's doing, but testing off the emotion, we just need to focus on the emotional aspect, and it looks very emotional scene. And here's one more example of the couple arguing with each other, and in this one it also performs really well. And talking about the cartoon part, this was a very perfect example where a chubby office cat is holding an iced coffee, and when she suddenly gives the shocking expression, it looks very good. So yes, it performs really well with the human characters, but when it comes to the anime or the cartoon characters, it just nailed it. Now let's talk about some of the anime examples. Like in this example where the camera starts with the close-up of a photograph and this is floating into the wind, and then suddenly the main characters appear. So if we talk about the complication, yes, it is a complicated shot because the AI has to maintain the consistency of the character because it has to match the character with the image and also the real characters. But we see at the end of the video that the characters are perfectly matching with the image characters. So it is a anime movie ready shot. So if you want to use these kind of shots, the Q2 model is capable of doing that. And when it comes to the fighting scene, and I'm talking about the anime fighting scenes where the sword cut through the demons and all these kind of stuff, so it reminds me some of the anime shows like Demon Slayer, and this is kind of a mixture. The action looks similar to that, but this is kind of a mixture of few anime shots, but in visual style. I really love that. And here are a few more fighting scenes. And when it comes to anime, I don't have any complaints with this one because anime fighting scenes works exactly the same. And not just the fighting scenes, it also works very well with the emotional scenes. You can generate the anime stories, anime movies, and it also gives you the option to extend the video up to 5 minutes. So the maximum length is 5 minutes. So you can extend this video and you can keep extending this video until you reach the 5 minutes limit, and this is a good length. And on the other hand, it also gives you some of the Halloween templates for free. So if you want to stand out on the social media with some spooky vibes, so you can get access and you can try out these templates for free. So the final takeaway of this video is that if you want the better camera movements with your anime shots, Vidu Q2 model is the way to go. So the link will be in the description below. Go ahead and check this out. And that's it from today. I hope you liked this video, and if you guys did, do give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.